Whispered stories in caves, to libraries standing against time. This is not a straight line. This is a river, carrying knowledge across deserts, rivers and oceans, across centuries, across hands and hearts. Cradle, humans emerged, alert, breathing, learning survival, slow language, stone in hand, fire bending the night, questions without names, moving with herds and rain. Cave walls held our first thoughts, our first attempts to make sense of the world. Fields rose independently across continents, rice in the Yangtze, millet in Saharan sand, maize shaping the Americas, wheat in the fertile crescent land was negotiated, seasons taught patience, surplus built order, villages became civilizations, hierarchies formed, but no destiny was written by one hand. Knowledge traveled faster than armies, ink and paper went with steel could not. China mapped the skies, refined iron and scale, counted eclipses, measured monsoons. India shaped zero, gave absence a spine, made nothingness precise, usable and divine. Across deserts and rivers, across tongues and fates, texts survive because they move, were shared, translated, sung. While Europe slept, Baghdad burned with light, the house of wisdom turning night into vision. Greek philosophy conversed with Persian insight, Indian mathematics shaped thought before Europe could measure it. Medicine studied balance, not punishment. Astronomy charted stars while others debated their existence. And across the Sahara, Timbuktu thrived. Manuscripts sold in centuries of African knowledge. Trade and scholarship intertwined. Libraries preserving science, law, story, storytree. Knowledge was not European property. It belonged to the world, to every hand that carried it across sand and time. In India, in the land I held minds in stone and ink, teaching philosophy, mathematics, cosmology. Alexandria stood as bridge and beacon between Greece, Egypt, and the wider Mediterranean, collecting, preserving, translating knowledge from all corners. When Europe began to read again, it traced letters already old, believing them new because the ink was fresh. Universities emerged, slowly, hesitantly, printing presses multiplied knowledge without permission. Ideas travel, awakening curiosity. But this was inheritance, not invention. What Europe called discovery was often translation, adoption, preservation. Then came the machine, amplifying what already existed. Steam turning motion into law, time into contract, hands into function. Cities inhaled coal and exhaled order. Empire stretched for the trade and ideas entangled. Yet every engine, every wheel, every calculation was built on knowledge preserved in Baghdad, Timbuktu, Nalanda, Alexandria, while Europe imagined itself alone at the center of life. This is never a straight road, never a single crown or mind at the front. From fire to cave, field to factory, ink to steam, brilliance and failure move intertwined. The danger is belief.
future owns the flame, while history remembers all hands that carried it. As we advance, we must